In the previous video, we have learned to make the design of Sharp logo in Inkscape with circular grid. It turns out many are enthusiastic with this tutorial. Perhaps because there is no tutorial application of circular grid in Inkscape. However, there is also a tutorial that does not understand that I said. He said circular grid is too difficult to draw up quite a lot. Okay, on this day we still discuss circular grid with simple shapes because there are only 5 grids circles, making it easier to understand for beginners. Let's look at the final design results here. Like this. Lotus logo design with circular grid. Okay, open your Inkscape and open layer window with Shift Ctrl L and rename this layer 1 with the name Lotus logo design, like this, and enter. Okay, create a circular object with a size 400 for width and 400 for height, like this. Here I give a blue color, like this, and reduce opacity with the number 60, like this, and then open transform window or with Shift Ctrl M. Okay, you choose move tab, and for horizontal section we fill with number 300 pixels. Oh, sorry, you must duplicate and you can transform. (300 pixel) and then click apply. Duplicate this object, and for horizontal section we fill with number minus 300 pixels and then click apply, and you can close this window. Select this object and duplicate, right click and choose duplicate, enable snap bounding box, snap bounding box corner, and snap midpoint of bounding box edge, and you can move until assign bounding box set midpoint to bounding box side midpoint, like this. Okay, duplicate this object, right click and choose duplicate. You can move until assign bounding box side midpoint to bounding box side midpoint, like this. Okay, after that select all of object and disabling for fill and enable for stroke paint, and for stroke style for width section we fill with number 60 pixels, like this, and for opacity we fill with number 100, like this. Okay, click choose pad menu and choose stroke to pad to convert stroke to pad, and then open layer window. Here we we create a new layer, and for layer name we fill with the name circular grid, and then click add like this, and select all of object like this, and right click and choose duplicate, and then right click again and choose move to layer. Make sure you choose layer circular grid and then click move like this, and here I had this layer, I mean circular grid layer like this, and choose and select Lotus logo design layer. Okay, why do we create a layer circular grid? So that later we can see result of our logo design is already in line circular grid or not. Okay, click Lotus logo design layer and select all of object, and choose path and choose exclusion like this, and then we create a box object until it cover the object, I mean circular objects like this, and click icon lower selection to bottom. That position is located at the bottom of the object, I mean circle object. Okay, select both of object, I mean sorry, select both objects and select path and choose division like this. Okay, then we remove unnecessary parts of the object. You can delete this object one by one like this. Sorry, delete this object, delete again, delete again. Okay, at this step you have to make a basic shape of a lotus design. Here we will choose some parts of the object to be used as a shadow object. We choose this object, and this object, and then right click and duplicate, and choose path menu and choose union, and here I give a gray color like this. Select this object and select this object, right click and choose duplicate, and unit with path menu and union like this, and here I give a gray color. Okay, for this object section, I mean all section except the object that will be used as part of shadow, you can unit, right click and choose select same and choose fill color like this, and unit with path menu and choose union like this. Okay, we give a gradient color with this icon, create and edit gradient, or with Ctrl F1, and then draw a line perpendicular to the object like this. Sorry. Okay, for this point we give a pink color with color code E92165 FF like this, and for this point we give a orange color with color code FF AE35 FF like this. Okay, for shadow object you can give gradient to, like this. Okay, finally we have a meta symbol logo Lotus Station with circular grid in Inkscape. Okay, for show circular grid you can open layer window and show this layer circular grid, click A icon, and I click key icon for Lotus logo design and click circular grid layer and select all of object and disabling for fill and enable for stroke paint. And for stroke style, in width section you can fill with number 1.4 pixel like this, and for this you can choose okay. I hope you understand this tutorial. Okay, here alone, if there is a mistake I apologize. Thank you and see you again in the next video.